Emma moved into an old house. The walls were cracked, the air cold. But the mirror in her room looked new. One night, she saw something strange. A girl stood behind her reflection. But when she turned, no one was there. The next day, it happened again. The girl in the mirror smiled. Her eyes were black, her lips blood-red. Emma tried to ignore it. She covered the mirror with a sheet. But at midnight, she heard scratching. The sheet slid to the floor. The girl was closer now. Her fingers pressed against the glass. Emma screamed and ran. She called her friend for help. But when they checked, the mirror was empty. That night, Emma woke up freezing. The room was dark and silent. Then she heard a whisper, "Let me out." She turned toward the mirror. The girl's hand was reaching out. This time, it wasn't just glass. Emma tried to run again. But the girl grabbed her wrist. Her reflection grinned, "Now you're mine." The next morning, Emma was gone. Her family searched everywhere. Only the mirror remained, flawless and cold. Sometimes, if you look too long, you'll see two girls staring back. One is crying. The other is smiling. Emma's family never found her. The police searched for months. But the mirror stayed in her empty room. One day, her little sister, Lily, wandered into the room alone. She saw her reflection, and another face. The girl in the mirror smiled. Lily reached out, curious. The glass felt soft, like water. Their fingers almost touched. Then Mom called Lily for dinner. The moment was broken. That night, Lily had nightmares. She dreamed of a dark room. And a girl crying for help. The next day, Lily looked again. This time, the girl looked scared. Her mouth moved, "Run." Lily told her parents everything. They finally noticed the mirror. Dad decided to smash it. He grabbed a hammer. The girl in the mirror screamed. The glass cracked on its own. Black liquid oozed out. A cold hand shot through. It grabbed Dad's arm. Mom pulled him away just in time. The mirror shattered into pieces. The room fell silent. But that night, Lily woke up. Her bathroom mirror was fogged up. Words appeared, "You can't escape." Now, in every house they move to, mirrors show the same face. The girl is always watching. And sometimes, late at night, Lily hears a faint whisper, "I'm closer than you think." Lily was tired of being afraid. She researched old books and legends. There had to be a way to win. An old librarian told her the truth. The mirror was a prison for lost souls. The girl was trapped, not evil. Lily learned a strange ritual. She needed 3 things to break the curse. A silver coin, a red ribbon, and a name. That night, she stood before her mirror. She placed the coin against the glass. "Tell me your real name," she demanded. The girl's face appeared, angry at first. Then tears filled her black eyes. "Anna," she whispered. "My name is Anna." Lily tied the red ribbon around the mirror. She repeated the words from the book. "Anna, you are free now." The mirror shook violently. A bright light flashed from within. Then, silence. When Lily opened her eyes, the mirror showed only her reflection. But something felt different. In the corner of her room, a faint shadow smiled at her. Then it faded like morning mist. The next day, all mirrors were normal. No whispers, no cold hands. Just ordinary glass. But sometimes, when Lily passes a mirror, she thinks she sees a quick smile. A thank you from beyond. Months passed in peaceful silence. Lily almost forgot about Anna. Then winter came, and the whispers returned. It started with her reflection blinking. Just once, so fast she doubted it. Then her bathroom mirror fogged up strangely. Words appeared in the condensation, "You helped me. Now I'll help you." Lily's breath caught in her throat. That night, her dreams were vivid. Anna stood in a glowing white room. "Something worse is coming," she warned. Lily woke to a crashing sound. Her dresser mirror had shattered. Shards formed an arrow pointing, downstairs. She followed the trail nervously. It led to the basement door, locked for years, now slightly open. Inside, one wall pulsed strangely. The old wallpaper peeled itself back, revealing another hidden mirror. This one was ancient, framed in black wood. And in its depths, something moved. Not Anna, something hungrier. Anna's voice echoed faintly, "Break it before the new moon." But the mirror was already cracking on its own. Lily stumbled back in terror. The black mirror's surface bubbled like tar. A skeletal hand pressed against the glass. Anna's ghost appeared beside her. Her form flickered like candlelight. "It's too strong, you need my help." Lily grabbed an old fire poker. She swung at the evil mirror. But it caught the metal like putty. The room temperature plummeted. Frost spread across the walls. The thing in the mirror was coming through. Anna did something unexpected. She stepped between Lily and the mirror. "This time, I'll protect you." Light exploded from Anna's ghost. The black mirror screamed like a living thing. Then, silence. Absolute darkness. When Lily's phone flashlight came on, the mirror lay in harmless shards. Anna was gone. Truly gone. But in Lily's palm, a warm silver pendant appeared. Engraved with one word, family. Lily kept the silver pendant always. It grew warm whenever danger neared. Anna's protection never faded. At college, Lily studied paranormal history. She met others with similar experiences. Together, they formed a ghost helping group. One rainy October night, her pendant turned ice cold suddenly. The dorm bathroom lights flickered wildly. Lily looked up slowly, and saw writing in the steam, "I'm proud of you, little sister." When she touched the words, the pendant glowed gold briefly. Then the room returned to normal. Now Lily teaches others the truth, not all ghosts mean harm. Some become family.